Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you'd know that I am collaborating with a tea subscription company. The name of the company is Sipsby. If you do some research on Sipsby and look at some of the reviews on the company, you'll see that they pretty much get 5-star reviews across the board. They are one of the leading tea subscription boxes. Out of all the companies that could have contacted me for sending me a box, I was so thrilled it was a tea subscription box. I drink tea all the time, never was a tea drinker before, but I am now a convert to tea. I drink coffee in the morning, but in the afternoon and into the evening, I drink my teas, and I really love this company. I'm going to show you my October unboxing. They just sent it to me. And I'm also going to show you, if you're not familiar with it, how I signed up for my box. It was very interesting because they allowed me to take a quiz first to kind of see what type of questions they ask. They really try to get deep down into your personal tea preferences so that when they curate the box, the teas that are in there are teas that they know you will love. They ask lots of different questions that I'm going to show you about your preferences, taste preferences, how you like to brew your tea, if you are allergic to any type of tea, which really helps them to personalize their boxes to each individual. If you're not familiar with this company, or if you didn't watch any of my previous videos, it is a tea subscription box that is $15 per month. They do offer different subscriptions, so I will quickly go over that with you too, and free shipping in the United States. Sipsby works with tea companies from all over the world to get their teas. What I really like about it is a lot of times in the box they will include a little card on one of the companies that they put teas in there from. That way you can read about the company, see where one of your teas is coming from. I just kind of find that really interesting. Let me get to my unboxing for October. I'll show you what's in my box. I plow through these boxes very quickly because it's kind of like a little Christmas gift for me in advance of Christmas. I get down there, open the box, kind of find out what I want. I love to see the surprise teas that they send me. A lot of teas that I'm not familiar with, which is great. They kind of expand my tea horizon, showing me brands from all over the world, not kind of the common brands that you would see in your local supermarket, just really different teas. And I forgot, when they originally started working with me, they gave me a promo code for anybody that's new that wants to sign up. I think it was $5 off. I think it's still working. I will put it down in my subscription box. I don't get paid for any of this. It's just a code that I give to any of my subscribers that are interested in signing up for the box. Let me take you to the quiz, and then I will show you my unboxing for October of Sipsby. Can't believe it's October already. And then we will crack open one of the teas and test it out. Just a quick rundown of how I signed up for Sipsby. This is the opening page. You can actually take the quiz even before you sign up for the subscription box. So I just entered my information, and then you see all the different ways you can get your teas. You can pay $15 every month, 3 months for $45 every 3 months, $84 every 6 months, and then $165 every 12 months. If you take the quiz, you can see some of the questions that they ask, your preferences on. You can create a profile, whether you like caffeine-free or caffeinated tea. Do you like your teas loose or bagged? You could even have a mixture of loose and bagged tea and a mixture of caffeine and caffeine-free teas. Do you like your tea flavored or unflavored? And there's a slew of questions on what types of teas you like to drink, what type of flavor profiles you like. They ask you what types of tea you might be interested in trying, and they even ask you your brew style. How often you like to drink tea, do you have any dietary preferences, and do you have any allergies? So that's basically it, super easy. And now let me show you what I got this month in my box.
The teas arrive to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sipsby on it. I believe they give you a tracking number so you can track your shipment to see when it's due to arrive. And then you open your box and they show you the month's card inside. This is my October box. You just flip that over on the back and it tells you all the teas that are in your box and gives you a little information on them. For example, where they've come from, how to brew them. And as you can see, I received a variety of teas. I received an organic gold cup chai tea from Stash Tea. That's my caffeine-free tea. I received some ginger peach black tea, and that is from the Republic of Tea, and that is the high caffeine tea. Some organic cream Earl Grey Moonlight, love Earl Grey, and then some organic, is that rooibos tea from Equal Exchange, and that is caffeine free also. So right now I am just taking all the bags of tea they sent me out of my box. I received 4 packages of the Stash tea, 4 packages of the rooibos tea, 4 packages of what looks like to be yummy ginger peach tea, and then the Earl Grey tea is in that final package. And then they also throw in an informational card. Usually it's from one of the companies that has some tea in the box. It's always nice to learn about where the teas come from. I always enjoy that. So these are all the teas I received, and I think I'm going to pick my Stash tea as the tea we're going to be testing out today. Put some hot boiling water in, give it a little bit of a stir, and it was absolutely fabulous. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my October Sipsby unboxing. I'll leave all the information for the subscription box down in my description box. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.